Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And somebody watched somebody else's video and couldn't understand how they made a scroll just like I did. He did a few things differently, and I kind of like his idea. He turned the bottom scroll around going the other way, but he used a tear effect, like it's been teared. So I'm not totally proud that I stole this idea, but the person couldn't comprehend how he did it. So I didn't even watch. I just figured out how he did it and going to give him my objectives. And that way it'll be on my channel. So I drew a rectangle and turned on, converted it to curves, took the nodes and made a sharp point out of it, maybe not even irregular. Took the roughing tool and just roughed up the edges. And you could do this to your heart's content. And you could play around with it, do whatever you want. And then what you want to do is you want to fill it in with black and take away the outline. And depending on how many you want to do, I Control D and make a duplicate of it and maybe put it like further in and maybe squish it up a little bit. Control D and make another duplicate. And of course you wouldn't want those two together, but one's wider than the other one. And then I'm going to actually do it to this side, so I'm going to mirror them, flip them around the other way. And you want to kind of, I guess, at the paper's angle, like that. So I'm going to group these together for a second. Well, matter of fact, I'm going to spread them out a little bit. And I'm going to group them together. And then I'm going to bring them into my paper. And then I'm going to shift select the paper and then go right here to trim and then move my things out of the way. And you see the outline kind of takes away from it. But then if you'll set your Smart Fill tool on no fill and specify point, whatever point you want, and just fill these in. And then take your virtual segment delete key and delete this outer line. I'm going to have to zoom in a little bit. And I don't like the way that one came out. There we go. And you'd want to take your shape tool and probably put these together. But for a visual effect, that's pretty cool. It looks like the paper's been torn and rattled. You know, it's an old scroll. So what can you say? And you could do it all along there and do as one or few or as many as you wanted. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching. I guess you'd actually have to tear through that letter. I hate to make my video so long, I might do that on another video. Hope that helped a little bit.